Okay, so those of you that are going to buy mortgages, and it's probably the majority of the group in here who wish they could, this is how they're going to make their way all the way down to you. National buyers, the big guys. I mean guys that close things with T's in the beginning and then B's. Regional buyers, state buyers, local buyers, you. That's what's going to happen. Now my specialty and my preference, and I get to this in one of my slides here in a second, is to buy defaulted mortgage notes. Oh, sorry. Unlike Jeff likes the mortgages that are current. I like the mortgages that are default. Now I have to move closer because I can't even see the screen from here. Okay, where do you begin? First, you got to become educated, and this is a great spot to come out and get educated. Like Jeff said, there's so much brain power in this business, in this room. If you just collaboratively sat down and talked to each other, you'd be able to answer a lot of your questions. And then Simon, of course, comes up and he blows the whole heck out of my presentation because he said just go on AI and Google or AI anything, and it'll answer for you. That's a great resource, though. Thank you very much for that presentation, Simon. I thought it was great. Okay, learn about the process, typical order of events. I could do a half an hour, 45 minutes on that, so I'm going to skip it. And if you want to contact me after the thing is over, I'll sit with you, I'll talk with you as long as you want to. My girlfriend and I were out leaving until Monday. Here's your big decision. If you want to get into the note business, here's the first big decision you want to make. Do you want to buy mortgages that are current, or do you want to buy mortgages that are default? And there's a big difference, and your marketing is different. Your skill set is different. So you have to decide whether or not you want to buy defaulted mortgages or current mortgages. How many people think they prefer to buy defaulted mortgages? Okay, out of the 75 we have here, that's 4. Okay, so the rest of you like mortgages that are paid, right? Okay. All right, well, unfortunately, when I started, I couldn't buy paid mortgages. I would love to follow Jeff's model. Buy the mortgage, put it in my daughter's IRA. Isn't that great? But Uncle Richie had to learn how to make money. So if you want a return on your money, buy all the current mortgages you can buy. They're fabulous investments. They're fabulous. But if you don't have the money to pony up for a current mortgage, you have to learn how to make money. You have to buy defaulted mortgages. You will not make money. You'll get a great return on current mortgages, but you will not make money. If you buy defaulted loans, you will make money. And the 6 people that answered me, that's why there were very few respondents to my poll, because only 6 of you answered for default.